This video describes typical project problems and how Project Assistant can help. When project teams lack direction on how to start, uncertainty and chaos expand. To reduce uncertainty, start projects from SMART templates. When teams don't create and share a written project plan, misunderstandings can get out of hand. Facilitate the team in creating and sharing a written project plan. When teams don't have a workflow to follow, the result is conflict, confusion, and stress. Build an initial workflow before starting. Have any deliverables been overlooked? Visually brainstorm and validate project scope. When teams lack a method for organizing the work, time is lost and expenses increase. Organize work into 3 levels. When teams lack effective tracking tools, commitments are forgotten. Our SMART alerts are built into the flow. When organizations lack a business process for doing projects, expectations are continuously missed. Design and share SMART templates as the foundation for your project business process. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos.